But just who is Brock? Where did he come from? It is a strange story that begins many years ago.
This is the split week challenge, and we've got a couple of hours left. We're going to have a little walk around the bus.
Hi guys.
Hey! 6 days.
Proud to say hi.
What a week. Right. Oh, knees. So, here we have it. What can I say? Looks alright, doesn't it, for 6 days really, from what it started off as. Toes are still working their magic on the sign writing, as you can see. Got the projector out for another STS trimming sign. 4-inch narrow beam by Creative Engineering. Drum brakes all round, but we've gone for the dual circuit system. Type 2 detectives, thankfully, supplied us with a last minute straight axle kit. Phenomenal, thank you very much. Only got 1300 single port in there at the moment, get it running, get it driving, get it registered, but we will be putting a 2.2 in there in the near future. Deluxe bumpers only for the fact that I had them and it didn't cost us anything. Light steering have come in and, sorry, can I go in there a sec? So if you have a look in there, we've got a light steer power steering unit. MCJ supplied us with an engraved horn push, which you can do custom for any of you out there. The power steering is phenomenal. Drove it around the yard, lovely. As you go round, again, Andrew Thompson, who's currently with me now. Hi, Andrew.
Hello.
If you walk round the back, I've got a bit of a surprise tomorrow, which I don't want anyone else to be here while we do something on the back with Tozer. So watch this space. As you come round here, again, Buddy's Bits. Legend. Couldn't have done this without me. Thank you very much. Again, like I said, Creative Engineering, MCJ for supplying all the billet stuff, horn push, steering wheel. Schofield give us great prices on a lot of parts, so thank you very much. Turtle Wax sent us a massive box of goodies, so there you go, there's you. Jay's Auto Electrical, fitted the whole Wolfsburg West wiring loom that we've got here. Any issues that he overcome for us, which is great. Now I'll pass you over to Thomas for the interior. Hey!
Hi guys, welcome after 6 days of hard work. As you can see, now without any problems, we were managed to do something decent with the interior. Headline, as we discussed before, nice white perforated vinyl, and obviously the fabric mixed up with the vinyl on the rest of the stuff. We completely rebuilt the front seats and the back as well. Brand new foam. I think the design is, as you can see, quite well. The effect and something beautiful. At the front, let's look in it. We went a bit wild with a bit of experiment. I think you'll like it. It's not with that a bit of an orange carpet with the grey vinyl. I think with quite nice contrast. Let me know what you think. You're allowed to laugh. Hey everyone else, and it's been a rough time, I can say that, honestly.
Rough times, not
Yeah. From that point.
Is it worth mentioning the seats, the bay and the split seats?
Yeah, all the split seats we've done, buddy, and all the things we've done in here, buddy. We rebuilt it. Springs, everything well welded back. We put a coconut mat. On that we put a nice one type foam, and then we put another type of layer screen foam, which in combined make them so comfy and comfortable as a normal chair at home. You know what I'm saying? You can sit down and watch TV. But don't do that. From that point, I would like to send a massive thanks for all the guys we were working to, basically, hands of business here. Obviously to Andrew for amazing job done. Amazing mix with my foam, which saved the day that time. And what can I say? Yay, we did it! And stand up, knackered and happy. So hopefully see you next week with us. Another amazing design. Thanks to all guys for being with us. I'm going to faint it now. So ta-da, bye bye. Hope you like it. So, please. Come on, hang me.
So again, just massive shout out to the wheel specialist who really come through with us. Completely forgot about the wheels, to be honest with you. Luckily we had a set of 356 replicas here. Beetle stills at the front, and they what they've done, as you can see, is a really good job on panic at the front. Just get rid of them. Sadly the Eagle, it's just not best.
She didn't push me like the woman.
Yeah, sorry.
That's the thing. That was a mean thing to do.
Peace out, folks. We've done it.
That's alright.
But just who is Brock? Where did he come from? It is a strange story that begins many years ago.